Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Kosh. Today we are going to discuss question answers of poem Wishing from class 8 book Fairy. Word meanings: spare, space, accumulating, collecting, folly, foolishness, airy, in old word meaning before, oft, often, acorn, the nut of an oak tree. Question answers. First question: what qualities should our actions have such that they make this word better? Answer: our actions should be straight and true to make the word better. Our motives should be selfless and thoughts should be noble. Second question: what should we get our minds rid of? Answer: we should get our minds free of all selfish motives and keep our thoughts clean and high. Next question: where should we accumulate our wisdom? Answer: we should accumulate wisdom in the scrapbook of our heart. Question 4: what should we scatter? Answer: we should scatter seeds of kindness as we go along. Fifth question: how, according to the poet, can we make a little Eden? Answer: according to the poet, we can create our own little Eden if our actions are straight and true. Our mind should be free of all selfish motives and our thoughts should be clean and high. Question 6: what should we do to make the world wiser? Answer: in order to make the world wiser, we can first start by accumulating what wisdom we gathered in the scrapbook of our heart. We should not waste a single page of that scrapbook on foolishness and live to learn to live. Question 7. Explain the last two lines of the poem in your own words. Answer: one little acorn with time can also be the start of whole forest of mighty oak trees. Acorns are also considered to be a lucky symbol representing prosperity, power, and spiritual growth. The poet says that the hand that plants an acorn in the ground is responsible for the growth of the oak tree, which is so large that it can shatter armies. Great action, therefore, begins from small deeds. Question 8. Each stanza of the poem begins with a question. What purpose do you think this serves? Answer: every stanza in the poem begins with a question because the poet is offering to the questions that are important for the readers if they wish to have a better world to live. Ninth question: summarize the poem in your own words. Answer: the poet says that if we wish the world better, she would tell us what to do. We must keep a close watch on all our actions and ensure that they are honest and true. We should rid our mind of all selfish motives and our thoughts should be not only clean but also noble. We can then make a small Eden in the place we live in. In the second stanza, the poet tells the reader that they can make the world better if they want. They should begin by accumulating wisdom in the heart which is like a scrapbook. Not a single page of this scrapbook must be wasted on foolishness, but they should live only to learn and learn how to live if they wish to dispense knowledge to their fellow. Begins they must first acquire it. Finally, if the leader wish the world were happy, they must remember to do little acts of kindness each day as they pass through the journey of life. Very often, the source of the good things we enjoy can be traced to one person. A single person's efforts can make a big difference. As an example, the poet says that the hand, the plants, and acorn is the responsible for growing sturdy by sturdy of oak tree which can shatter armies. RTC 1. If you want to give man knowledge, you must get it. You give question A. What knowledge is the poet talking about? Answer. The poet is talking about the knowledge of wisdom. B. How can we get this knowledge? Answer. We can get this knowledge by accumulating it in the scrapbook of our heart, and by not wasting a single page of that scrapbook. We should also live to learn and learn to live. See, how will this knowledge help us? Answer. This knowledge help us to make the world wiser. Second, for the pleasures of many may be of time traced to one. Question A. What should we do for the pleasures of many? Answer. We should scatter seeds of kindness for the pleasures of many. B. How essential is it? Answer. It is very essential because it can make the world very happy. C. What does the poet mean by the second line of the extract? Answer. The poem means that one can be the region for happiness of many and very often the source of good things we, we enjoy can be traced of one person. A single person's effort can make a big difference from the second line of the extract. Thanks for watching.